Hi guys, thanks so much for coming back to my channel today. If you're new, thanks so much for tuning in today. This is a couponing haul from Harris Teeter. I just did a little bit. This is the first time I'm getting my feet wet. Again, I haven't been in a while, a long time. So I used to be a really big couponer, but now I just want to try this again. And I don't want to like spend a lot of time doing it, so I gave myself like 2 hours a week to do it, because full couponing can be a full-time job. So let's start over here. It's a lot I want to tell you about Harris Teeter. Harris Teeter is one of the biggest coupon deal places as far as grocery stores in our area. We also have a Publix now. We did have Kroger, but Kroger, all of those closed. And then I think when Kroger used to like double coupons up to, was it a quarter or 50 cents, and then they stopped, but you still could have got some great deals. They also have Lowe's Foods, but Harris Teeter is the biggest one in our area that you can get the better deals. So let me share with you, I wanted to make a video specifically about all the different ins and outs of Harris Teeter, on sale, stuff like that. So I'll do that in a separate video. If you're new and just drove by Harris Teeter and never shopped in there before, I will still go to Aldi. I mentioned in another video that I have done a price sheet. My husband did create it for me. I am going to use that to compare what is best to either purchase it from Aldi, the stuff I can't memorize by heart, and the stuff that is cheaper if I coupon somewhere else. I don't know if I'm going to coupon it at a whole bunch of different places, but I do want to try CVS, of course Harris Teeter, and maybe Target and Publix, but that's about it. What else was I going to say? Okay, and then also I'm going to share that video about the spreadsheet, the price sheet, with you guys once I have everything plugged in that I have so far. And then maybe I can get Jason to record him showing how he created it and show you guys. Let's get started with this. It's not too many items at all, and these items were actually evicts. So evicts are the extra, if you're like an evict customer, like a rewards customer, they'll send you emails of what is that week. Their sales start over on Wednesday, which I'll go over all this in another video. They start over on Wednesday, and you'll get like these special deals. You look at the bottom, you may win a gift card if you're an evict customer. I haven't won one yet. And on Friday you get another special one where they may show what's for free in the store. They kind of do that, deploy you to get in the store, and then some deep discounts on some other things. So for Friday, the evict was a 2.5 size chicken wings, and this may be a little bit smaller, but it looks like it's the same size as if the bags at Walmart or at Aldi that range for $9.99 for chicken wings. So it gave me a limit of 4, and there were $4.97. They only had 3 when I went, which that was fine because I only was gonna get 2. So it was like $15 for 3 bags of chicken wings, when normally 2 bags of chicken wings is $20. So I could have got 4 for like $20 if they had one more. Also the eggs, if you're not an evict customer, they were 99 cents, which is a great price, because right now at Aldi I think they're $1.58. And if you're an evict customer, you had a limit of 4, you could have got 70 for 77 cents white eggs. So I got a little confused because I'm still kind of, the store is the same layout, but some things have changed. I was still trying to refresh myself, so I kind of forgot when I got in there. And yeah, so I even wrote it down on a sheet of paper, but I still kind of forgot. So I only got 2, and I should have got 4. If you don't get all of your evicts at one time, you can't go back and get them later. So I'll explain that later too. So for this total, I spent like $17.69. I did have to get a bottle of distilled water because they didn't have any at at Walmart when I went earlier. And I had a total savings of $14.30. And then here on the bottom of your receipt, it will show here like all of your evicts that were listed on your email. So the 6 mega roll, 12 double roll, Angel Soft bath tissue. No. Which one is it? The 6 Bounty Essential Paper Towels for $3.97, a limit of 4. That was awesome. But because I'm new back at couponing, I didn't have a coupon for that. Okay, the couponing deals, I didn't get very much stuff, if you see right here. And I want to make sure when I coupon that I get stuff that I'm going to use. I know over the years, back in the day, I would get stuff and still wouldn't use it even if it was free. I'm not getting it if I'm not going to use it. It's very easy to say that at first, and then you know you kind of, oh, it's free. Someone else may need it unless you're going to donate it or something like that. And then also I don't want it to take up space. Okay, so I did want to go in there for the Lysol toilet bowl cleaner. It didn't have it on sale for 2 for $3. The Lysol toilet bowl cleaner I thought was on sale for 2 for $3. This was on sale for 2 for $3. And I will make sure I insert the clips with the coupon. And so I think it was a 50-cent coupon. It doubled. And this made this like $1. 2 for $3. Yeah. So I only paid $1 for each one. I'm sorry guys, I paid 50 cents for each one of these. Lysol wipes. This is the Ocean Fresh scent. I don't think I ever tried this before. You get 35 wipes in here. A great price. So I did want to get the bowl cleaner, but again, it wasn't marked. And I don't see it in the flyer either. The Powerup Bars were 2 for... They were buy one get one free for $3.99. I had a 75 cents off coupon, so that doubled for $1.50. So I got these. So I got these for 50 cents each. 50 cents each or $1. And they also had chocolate. Oh Lord, it set out too long. Oh Lord. And so they also had chocolate, but I got the strawberry because Jason likes strawberry, and then the salted caramel. So as I was doing this, a real life blooper, my crescent roll popped. So I will go ahead and make this one. It's been out too long, and I probably was slinging my bags around, but I normally do not. I used to buy these all the time couponing. The 4 rolls, not the 4 rolls, but this is a 4 roll. I usually get the long ones, but I really wanted the cinnamon rolls. But the cinnamon rolls, I should know from history that is the first thing to go. So these were 10 for $1, 10 for 10, 10 for $1 or $1 each. And then it was a coupon off of 3 off of, you have to buy 3 to get $1 off. And then there's also a Saving Star coupon on top of that. So I didn't want to like get the biscuits. I wanted to get something different because I know I can get a whole big thing of biscuits from Aldi for $1. The next thing that I picked up was the Palmolive, and I actually thought this was the small size. This was 2 for $4. So this was a great big size of the 20 ounce. And I had a coupon for... I don't remember, guys, the exact coupon, but I did record it while I was in the store, so I'll make sure I'll insert that. So that's a great price for, and then they also had like other scents and fragrances. They even had like a natural one as well. Then I picked up the tomato paste. I know tomato paste is really cheap at Aldi, but this is the organic Merglen. And I never, out of all the years, I never picked up one of these. I would just skip over it. I don't know why. Just some things I just did. Just like the candy always did. Because it was always hard to find it. But this wasn't. I just never did. So this was like 19 cents. It was a 50 cents coupon. It's $1.19. And on the coupon it says for any. So you can get a jar of pasta. You can get tomatoes. But usually people get the tomato paste because it's really cheap. Also... I did ask her to do my transactions separately because I wanted to see my savings. And this was part of the evict too of the weekend evict. Sometimes they have those, a lot of times they have those just to get you in the store. They had these by the register because I was looking for them. And most of the time, you know, back in the day for candy, I really didn't hunt down the coupon stuff for that. We needed food. So this as well was buy one get one free. it was 99 cents, and then they had a coupon 75 cents off of 2. So that made these completely free. And I actually had another coupon, but I didn't bring it with me. It's broken. I didn't bring it with me, and I could have got 4. So that's all that I picked up from Harris Teeter, guys. It's a really small haul, but I want to share these with you guys, and then other coupon deals as I do them. And then I've had some requests in the past to show how to coupon, so I will do that as well. So thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Also turn on that notification bell so you know when any new videos come up from me. And I hope you have a great day. Bye bye.